This is the Greenco serving tray and breakfast table, perfect for breakfast in bed. And it measures 17.5 inches across by 12 inches by approximately 9 inches tall. And this is so great for so many different things. It could also be a serving tray as well as a working table too. This is all made from bamboo and it's very sturdy as well. So easy to clean too. Just hand wash with soap and water and put some bamboo oil on it periodically. Because it has these two handles on either side, this is perfect for serving guests for your parties. Great for coffee, drinks, appetizers, and desserts too. This is a perfect table to work on your laptop when you're working in bed. This is also great to use as a lap table while you're working on the couch. I was sent this from Greenco to evaluate and I absolutely love it. It comes in so handy. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.